Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 8 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really busy week here last week at Simons Middle School, including our first field trip of the year. Our 7th grade students got to enjoy the storytelling festival, so it was a fun week for them. This week upcoming on Monday, we do have Mr. Hunt's birthday, so happy birthday to Mr. Taylor Hunt tomorrow. On Tuesday, JAG is having a guest speaker, Miss Stacy Thrasher. Also, girls basketball team will be away at Morgan. Wednesday is our prayer at the pole service. So parents and community, if you would like to join us, that service does start at 7 a.m. and it will be outside in the front yard as long as the weather cooperates. If it rains, we will move prayer at the pole into the gym. Also on this night, girls basketball will be at home versus West Carter. It is 8th grade night. And the Youth Service Center is hosting a Slice of Advice parent meeting. It starts at 6 o'clock at Flemingsburg Elementary School. Cougar Council members, you will meet with me during first period in the conference room. On Thursday, it is our MSU Student Observation Day. TNI members, you will have a meeting from 4 to 5:30. We will also have Kona Ice at SMS on Thursday. Mr. Moore and myself have a training in Ashland with some of our students. And girls basketball will be away at Mason. Football will be away at East Carter. Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. And we will also invite some of our grandparents to do High Five and Fist Bump Friday with us this week, as they will be there for the ice cream social that starts at 1:30. So students, if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you RSVP if your grandparents are coming to the ice cream social on Friday. Also, we do have the Fall Flannel Fling Dance, and it will start right after school on Friday until 5. It's $10 for admission, and the proceeds go to the Washington, D.C. Scholarship Fund. We would like to take a moment to recognize this week's Student Spotlight. Our Student Spotlight goes to siblings Braden and Logan Williams. The siblings traveled to the Kentucky Horse Park a few weeks ago for the Rocky Mountain Horse Association International Grand Championship. Braden has worked since early winter preparing his horse Hot Rod for the show. He was excited about his chances, but all that came to a crashing halt when the horse scratched his hoof in the stall prior to showing, and his 4-day show plans were over. Braden's younger brother Logan offered his horse, who had been taken to the show just for the experience. None of the family felt like the horse was ready for the challenge, and Braden had never been on it before. The horse had never shown before and was only registered 24 hours prior to the show. Nonetheless, Braden got himself entered into another class with his brother's horse. The horse's name was Magic, and indeed that is what happened. The two came away from a class of 12 riders as the 12 to 17 RHMA Country Trail Pleasure Reserve Grand Champions. The two can also be found dueling at football practice and are big contributors to the Cougars this season. When not playing football, you can find them at the barn helping their family. So congratulations, Braden and Logan. You boys have really been able to show some your great talents through your horse showing, but also just at SMS. We are so proud of your many accomplishments. Thank you for always bringing it, and we cannot wait to see what your future holds. For this week, our Achieve 3000 leaderboard. Our top scorers on Monday was Amelia Maynard, Tuesday Kylie Holbrook, Wednesday Lena Mahaney, Thursday Daniel Allen, Friday Kaya Blankenship. Our weekly top scorer was Daniel Allen, and our two students with the most activities at 75% or above. We had a tie in 7th grade between Tristan Adams and Logan Preston with 2, and in 8th grade we had Aubrey Leichner with 2 activities. Also, here is our Alex leaderboard for this week. We haven't had a lot of change since last week, so those students' names all remain the same. We hope you enjoyed this week's edition of the Cougar Connection. We are looking forward to another great week, Cougars, so we will see you back here on Monday.